Daytona Tower, November 112, Papa Zulu, visual runway 7 left.
Truck 112, Papa Zulu, Daytona Tower. Would you like 7 or 8?
Negative, just 7 left, 2 Papa Zulu.
2 Papa Zulu, runway 7 left, clear to land, hold short, taxi, whiskey, crossing traffic.
Land 7 left, hold short, whiskey, 2 Papa Zulu. Daytona Tower, tag 146, 2 Papa Zulu. Passing in 7 Romeo Tango.
Which FE are you going to?
Just general aviation, whichever one is the general.
We have 3 FBOs here, and so we can't tell you which one to go to. There's Shelf there, there's Yelvington, and there's ATP.
What was the first one again?
Shelf there.
I'll go the first one, 7 Romeo Tango.
737 Romeo Tango, roger, flighting 340, maintain 1,500.
340 and 1,500, 7 Romeo Tango. Daytona Tower, route 495 on the ILR 7 left.
Route 495, Daytona Tower, runway 7 left, clear restricted low approach, either above 600.
Clear restricted low approach 600, route 495.
Track 2, Pop Zulu, turn right, contact ground.
Alright, contact ground,
So 737 Romeo Tango, pattern altitude approved 1,000 feet.
Approved for 1,000 feet, 7 Romeo Tango.